Okay, it's grilling time at the Collins household. So I have a new toy. I figured I would go ahead and share with you my new Dalstrong grilling set. Let me show you a little bit about what I just bought because I am super excited to go ahead and use it. This has a great magnetic closed box, so if you decide you want to give this as a gift, it's absolutely perfect. It presents beautifully, and you end up with these four gorgeous, well constructed made pieces. You have your tongs, which it's got a nice weight to it. Everything in this box you'll see full tang all the way, triple riveted handles. They're going to stay nice and cool for you. They're not going to swell in the heat, and they're nice and long so that you don't have to worry about when you are grilling having your hands directly over the fire. So this particular set of tongs, you can see it has a really nice set of teeth on it. It's big and wide, so I can grab things like baked potatoes, move them around very easily. I can use this for a large slab of ribs. It's going to be really handy when it comes time to actually put that one to use. The fork. Tell me that is not a heavy duty fork. That's going to be able to pick up some of the heaviest pieces of meat. And this is one we're probably going to use a lot with pork roasts and in the smoker when we're trying to reach in there and turn that around. It's great with these tines to be able to kind of get into the meat, check a little bit of the doneness. Again, real comfortable but heavyweight. I've got a silicone brush. I love it. I can barbecue with this, reach way in the back of the grill, not have to worry at all about getting my hands burned, and because it's silicone, it's heat resistant, it's going to clean up super easy, and again, nice weight, full tang, cool laminate handle. And the piece de resistance is, of course, the grill spatula. Everybody needs this. And if you get caught unawares without your pop top opener, you've got one right here on the spatula. I don't have a beer with me, otherwise I'd open one and share it with you. But the other features of the spatula that you're gonna like is how wide it is. This is gonna pick up those big gourmet burgers without risking breaking anything. You've got the serrated edge right here, and that's gonna be able to kind of cut into that meat, test some of the doneness, and just make sure that everything is the way it's supposed to be before you go ahead and take it off the grill and serve it. So I've got a couple things going over here that I'm going to show you, and I'm going to use my grill set to make this all happen. We are doing chicken and baked potatoes, and I've got stuffed baked potatoes. So again, one of the things I wanted to show you with this is how nicely I can grip this entire potato and move it. I don't have to worry about anything dropping between these tines. And just with one pull, it closes and stays pulled. Time to grab the meat fork, and we're going to take these breasts, and it's time to give them a nice turn. Super easy. And then, because we don't want those breasts drying out, a little bit of barbecue sauce. And it's really nice. I can get in between these layers of meat real nicely. I can get all the way to the side, to the back. And you can see how much those bristles are going to pick up and hold. So as I'm transferring it from dish to meat, I get a nice amount on there. It's not skimpy at all. So last but not least, I wanted to show you the spatula and how to use this edge. This serrated edge is really nice. We know, because I just turned this chicken over, that we don't really want it to be off the grill yet. But look how nicely I can cut into that and see down into the meat itself. It's going to tell me very quickly whether it's done or not, and I don't serve up anything that isn't ready to go. Again, nice and wide. So when the time comes, I don't have to worry again about dropping food down in between the slats, and I can get under that entire chicken breast. So we're gonna let dinner continue to cook. I'm gonna take care of my tools, because I should mention they're super easy to wash. Being stainless steel, it's a breeze. Just take it in. You can run it in the dishwasher if you want to. I'll probably hand wash them just because it's so easy. Anyway, I hope that your dinner is going to be as good as mine tonight. Bon appetit.